Hello guys, how are you? And welcome to channel Center for Training. Here I am Azad from Dog Polytechnic University. My topic today will be last topic in fillet welding. So this topic will be welding T-joint overhead position. So you see here, it will be 4F position. So my plate should be 8 inch by 4 inch. That's you put on the stand over your head. That for first layer, the angle of your electrode should be, if that's my electrode, the angle should be from here to here and here to here. It will be 45 degrees from this side, 45 degrees from this side. That's for first layer. For second layer here, the angle of electrode, second layer, the angle of electrode should be from this side to here 70 degrees. So for third layer, angle of electrode should be, you can see the angle of electrode from here to here should be 30 degrees. That's my plate in T-joints. I put 2 spoons here, one this side and another this side. So I will try to welding 4F. First layer, finish it. That's 4F position. It's overhead. So I will start on second welding bit. So that's 4F is finished. I hope you learn more things on that, guys. That's 4F position overhead. I will it. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.